It feels like everyone is shouting about AI agents, but the second you try to understand them, you're buried under technical diagrams and jargon. We're going to strip all of that away. You don't need to be a coder to understand this. And by the time we're finished, you'll see exactly how these systems are going to change your Monday morning. Think about the last time you tried to plan a big trip, maybe to Tokyo. You had to search for flights, compare 4 different hotel sites, check your calendar, and then manually book everything. It's a lot of tabs and a lot of clicking. An AI agent is software that handles that entire process for you. It listens to your goal, looks at the options, and does the actual work from start to finish, so you don't have to keep checking in on it. This is the big difference. A chatbot is like a very smart friend who gives you advice. You ask for a flight, and it tells you which one is best. But after the conversation ends, the doing is still up to you. An agent goes further. It doesn't just adjust the flight, it logs into the site, finds the seat you want, and clicks the purchase button. If a chatbot is just a brain in a jar that can talk, an agent is that same brain but given a memory and a pair of hands. This distinction transforms AI from a tool you talk to into a system that produces results for you. Every agent uses 3 specific parts: brain, memory, and tools. The brain is the thinking engine that breaks your requests into tasks. Memory tracks current actions and learns long-term preferences. Tools are the hands, the specific apps like email or calendars the agent controls. Because these 3 parts work together, the agent can adapt. If it tries to book a flight and finds the price has doubled, it doesn't just stop. It uses its brain to look for a better deal, and its memory to see if your budget allows for it. It's this ability to solve a problem on the fly that separates an agent from a standard, rigid computer program. You might think building something this smart requires years of studying computer science. But today, there are platforms specifically designed for people who never want to write a single line of code. You can now build an agent just by describing what you want it to do in a normal sentence. Take the example of a wedding photographer I know. She was spending 3 hours every day manually responding to potential clients about her pricing and availability. She built a simple agent that monitors her inbox. Now, when a new inquiry arrives, the agent reads the email, checks her calendar for that date, and drafts a personalized response with her pricing guide attached. She just reviews the draft and hits send. This simple setup saved her 12 hours a week, and because she could respond to clients instantly, she ended up doubling her revenue. For most of us, AI agents aren't about tech for the sake of tech. They are an escape from the burnout of repetitive busy work. Of course, this raises a big question. Is it safe? Handing over the keys to your email or your calendar feels like a huge risk. Instead of sharing your actual passwords, these systems use a digital permission slip, much like a restricted VIP pass. You can set it so the agent can only see what you allow, and you can cancel that pass instantly with one click. Then there's the bigger worry everyone has. What happens to our jobs if software can do all this work? Because these tools now cost about as much as a monthly streaming subscription, a single freelancer can deploy the same level of research and outreach power that used to require a corporate budget. This makes high-level capabilities available to anyone with an internet connection. Success in this new environment doesn't come from working faster than the AI. It comes from stepping into the role of a manager, directing a digital staff to handle the chores you used to do yourself. If you want to start building that digital staff today, you only need 3 steps. Step 1. Write down 5 digital tasks you do every single week that you absolutely hate. Don't worry about how the AI will do them yet. Step 2. Pick the most boring, repetitive one from that list. The task where the steps are exactly the same every time you do it. Step 3. Go to a platform like Zapier or N8N and use their chat feature to describe that task. They will walk you through the entire setup process and build the very first version of the agent for you. Don't expect it to be perfect right away. The real learning happens when the agent hits a snag, and you have to tweak the instructions to help it through. Building one flawed agent this weekend will teach you more about the future of work